In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil indicator light on a 2021 Chrysler 300. This will also work on many other Chrysler 300 model vehicles. If you end up thinking this is helpful, please give the video a like. It helps us make more videos just like this. The first thing you're going to want to do is press the start button. Do not put your foot on the brake to actually start the vehicle. We're going to go into the run mode without the vehicle running. This is the only way it'll let you do this. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to press the down arrow button. You're going to see that the speedometer pulls up. Press the down arrow one more time until it says vehicle information. Then you're going to push the right button to scroll through this until you get to oil life. Once you get to oil life, you're going to press and hold the OK button. And the oil life will reset once you press and hold the OK button. That's all there is to it. If you ended up thinking this video was helpful, please give it a like. Help us make more videos like this. Consider subscribing and comment if you have any questions or like the video. Thank you.